Alright, hello YouTube. Welcome back to another bracelet video. And, oh dear. In this bracelet video, we got a couple of unboxings to do today. Try and move over here. So we have this one today. We have two. I think this is the one. Both of them are bracelet lots. I have a 60 plus bracelet lot coming on Tuesday. Or Monday. But yeah. Yeah, the bracelets are in here. They're all pride bracelets, so like the one that I have on my arm here. One of them is actually a dream bracelet. So yeah. We have this one from Walgreens. Yes, I finally have a Walgreens bracelet. This one says New York City Health. Take pride. Take care. Philadelphia Gay News. And then we have another KP Morgan Just Be You bracelet. So yeah. Sorry about the way my hair looks, I know it's a mess, but yeah, we got these four bracelets. Yeah, so I'll upload this video for you guys and I will talk to you all later then. Bye. And here are all four pride bracelets. So yeah, talk to you later. Bye.